I'm your host, Dan Rojas. This is the polyethylene tubing that we use for the hot water heater. Done a lot of videos on it. I am going to show you how to, well, make a hula hoop if you want, or better yet, make a parabolic mirror mount for the parabolic mirrors that we have on our website, or pretty much anything if you make your own. Sometimes it can be difficult to figure out a way to mount to the back of it, especially if it's a fragile glass object. When you buy this tubing, you're gonna obviously deal with the fact that it curls up because that's how it comes. But I'm gonna show you really quickly something interesting about this 1/2 inch. It is the thicker walled version, and the easiest way to attach it. So somewhere in here, I have 1/2 inch CPVC, which is, the diameter of it is less than that of regular 1/2 inch PVC. This is the CPVC. This is an old piece, obviously, dirty, nasty. The one that I was going to use happens to have a cool wasp living in there, so little baby, let him do his thing. I'm going to get a pipe cutter, and I'm going to cut a piece of this about that long. I have my piece of 1/2 inch CPVC that I cut and sanded down. I use this to cut the CPVC. For the tubing, carpet knife works best. Just be careful with your fingers. Try to make the edges nice and straight. And if you sand it down and taper it, this will press in there. There we go. You can see how it's stretching the tubing. When you push these together, the CPVC, you should see it inside of there. So it's 1/2 inch CPVC, which is smaller than regular, less diameter than regular PVC. And this is 1/2 inch polyethylene tubing, thicker walled. Once you get it where you want it, you go ahead and you can put a screw there. I recommend drilling holes in prior to this, so you don't have to worry about putting a drill near your parabolic mirror. And then from this point, I'm not going to mount this right now, but you would put a dab of silicone around there, center this up, and just set it on there. Just a little bead of silicone will definitely hold it in place, and this will not pull off. This is the easiest way to put it back on a parabolic mirror. I'm your host, Dan Rojas. Thank you for watching. Enjoy our videos, and happy Earth Day, I believe.